Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you. For today's look, I'm using the Icy Fantasy palette by Morphe, using colors that are out of my comfort zone. Before we get into this video, please do consider subscribing and ring that bell if you want to know when I release new content. If you do like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, share and leave comments below, as this all helps to grow my channel. Also, to help me grow my channel, please do consider watching to the end, as Lady Algorithm likes that. So without further ado, we will get into this video. Now, for the sake of time, I've already filled in my brows using the Morphe brow pencil. So let's get into the eyes using the Icy Fantasy palette by Morphe. I'm going to use the N3 brush from the Nikita collection by Morphe. I'm going to pick up the shade Sky High and then just lightly work that into my crease. The second shade I'm going to pick up is Echo, still using the same brush, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Now for the shimmer shade, I'm going to be using two shades. The first shade is Mystical, and I'm just going to apply that with my finger, and then I'm just going to go over that with Rosy Haze so that there is a green-pink contrast. Now using a clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to go over my crease and just soften up all the edges. For eyeliner, I'll use the Stila liquid liner. Now before I put on my lashes, I'm going to first curl them, and the lashes I'm using today are the Wispies by Ardell. Next, I'm going to highlight my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes with the shade Euphoria. And for mascara, I'm using the NARS Extreme Climax. Now to the rest of the face. I'm going to use the Crown HD primer. So I like this primer because it really helps to smooth out the skin, and it just helps with the smooth application of the makeup. It also helps for that poreless finish and helps fill in fine lines. Next, onto the contouring, and for this I'll be using my Kryolan Supra foundation palette and the Mecca Max contouring stick. So when we're doing contouring, it's always important to know that contouring is different for different face shapes. So you're playing with light and shadow, accentuating your features, bringing forward with the light shade, and then creating structure with the darker shade. In my case, I really want to give my cheekbones a lift, and because my nose does not have a bridge, I like to create the illusion thereof. For foundation, I'm using the Kryolan Supra foundation palette. In my case, I do prefer a cream foundation because I have dry skin and I also have eczema. Just as a side note, when you are color matching for a foundation, you want to match your foundation to your body and not to your face, because your face tends to get the sun, and so you will be a bit darker, or you will have redness in your face because of that. Now I'm going to go in using a damp beauty sponge just to make sure that I have a nice even finish on my foundation. Now to finish my eyes, I'm going to use the same shades, which is Sky High and Echo, and I'm just going to go at the bottom of my eye. Now to line my waterline, I'm going to use the Go-To Gel Liner. And now I'm just going to set my under eye with my Crown Translucent Powder. Next, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer and just go in over the areas which I previously contoured with the cream contour. For the highlight, I'm going to use the Highlight and Blush palette and just highlight all the high points of my face where the light would naturally hit my face. Now onto the lips, I'm going to use the Glide On Urban Decay 24/7 Lip Liner in the shade Blackmail. For lip gloss, I'm going to use the Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in the shade Social Butterfly. Finally, I'm going to set my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And there you have it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope that you liked it. Please do leave comments down below. I would love to know what you think of this look. Also, if you do attempt this look, please do post it and tag me on Instagram and Facebook. And before I let you go, guys, thank you so much for watching through to the end. Please remember to subscribe, share, ring the bell, and leave comments down below to let me know what you think of this look. So until the next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!